In this video, I will show you how to transform your Claude AI output into professional visuals using Napkin AI. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to Claude, where I've already generated a detailed guide for onboarding new team members. I'll scroll through the content to ensure everything is correct, and then I'll click the copy icon at the bottom of the response to grab the text. Next, I'll switch over to Napkin AI and open a new blank napkin. I'll click into the document and paste the text I just copied from Claude. After a quick scroll to check the layout, I'm ready to start the visualization process. I'll highlight the text for phase 1 and immediately a small lightning bolt icon appears on the left. I'll click that icon to generate AI suggestions. On the left panel, I can browse through various visual styles. Once I've picked a style, I can also choose from different designs within that style to find the exact look I want. Now, I can start editing the visual to my liking. I'll start by double-clicking the title to change the font and formatting. To gain more control over the elements, I'll select the visual and click the Ungroup button. This allows me to edit individual parts, like selecting a specific circle and changing its color to green. I can even click on the icons to search for and swap them with something more specific. When I'm happy with the design, I'll click the Export button in the top right. I'll select the PNG format and hit Download to save my new graphic. Finally, I can return to the text, highlight the next section, and repeat these steps for the rest of the guide. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Napkin AI with Claude AI output.